In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post viral reels with an AI agent in n8n. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and get you on your way to creating amazing content. The first thing you want to do is open n8n. Once you're in, click on New Workflow to get started. This will set the stage for our exciting project. Go ahead and give your workflow a name that makes sense to you, like AI Reels Publisher. This name will help you easily identify the workflow in the future, especially as you create more projects. Now let's move on to a crucial part of your workflow, choosing a trigger. This is how you decide when and how your workflow will start. You have a few options here. You might choose a schedule trigger if you want your content to be published automatically at specific times, whether it's daily or weekly. However, if you want your workflow to start when something changes in Google Drive or when you receive a webhook or chat message, you can use those options instead. Many creators find the schedule trigger particularly useful because it takes out the guesswork and timing, allowing your workflow to run smoothly and consistently. Next up is adding an AI agent to your workflow. This is where it starts to get really interesting. You'll want to add an AI agent node and connect it to the trigger you just set up. The AI agent is incredibly versatile and can help you streamline your content creation process. For instance, it can help you generate captivating reel ideas, which is perfect for when you're feeling stuck or uninspired. Additionally, it can write engaging captions, create relevant hashtags, and generate compelling calls to action. Plus, it prepares the necessary publishing metadata, ensuring everything is perfectly set up when it's time to publish. After setting up your AI agent, you'll need to connect an AI model. This is an important step because the AI model is like the brain of your agent. Attach your preferred language learning model like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, or Llama. When setting this up, make sure you configure your API credentials and model settings correctly. This configuration is essential for making sure that everything works seamlessly, and your AI agent can access the tools and data it needs to create top-notch content. By the end of these steps, you will have a robust workflow that can create and post viral reels with the help of AI in n8n. Remember to save your project and test it to make sure everything is running smoothly. And there you have it, a streamlined process using AI to help you consistently create and post engaging reels on your platforms. Happy creating, and watch those views take off.